See how slow I can get it. I'm going against the wind. Still trying. Go pretty slow. I like it. I want to get it slow going past me. Ooh, almost blew that one. Almost set it down. In the last second, it was an out. Oops, way too fast. There we go. I wonder if I could go much slower than that. Looks like we've got a storm or something going to be coming in. Clouds look kind of nasty. Yeah, I'm surprised I'm out here flying in this. Flying pretty flat there. I was only on 40%. See how slow I can get it. I'm going against the wind. Oop. Had to pick her up at the last second. little breezy. Uh-oh. It sure is getting windy though. You can see how it's bouncing. Safe is trying to keep it. I wonder if I'm fighting with it. How much wind is it blowing? Tricky going with the wind. Yeah, it's going, coming from the south. Dang it, got too high again. It's out stall mode. Look at the propeller's hardly even moving. It's almost dead right there. That's what you call a stall, isn't it? Pretty tricky doing it with the wind. Give me some good practice, I guess. Look at that. It's about sitting there. It's up there where the wind is really, look at that, where it's really windy. I don't like being up that high though. I don't know what could happen. Well, I got about 2 batteries left. 2 lights. I don't know, I'm getting kind of spooky now. It's really picking up now. I think we're gonna make one more pass. I'm gonna call it good. Yeah, it's fucking really throwing it around. That's a good one. A little too far away. That was.
What are you doing? I thought you left. You done? Yeah, you're just sitting right here. Tell us what you Tell us what you doing. He's laying here on the ground. What do you got to say, Joseph? What do you got to say?
Yeah, I don't know, man.
What should I say? I say, Happy day. Right? You make a happy day. I hope that wasn't you that throwed it up. You didn't need